Welcome. Today we're about to embark on a journey into a world where technology and community come together to reshape how we think about money. Today we're diving into something truly exciting, Picoin. It's not just another digital currency, it's a movement that's bringing people together from every corner of the globe. For years, millions have been mining Pi on their phones, quietly building a global community. Each tap, each connection, has helped lay the groundwork for something bigger than any one person. But now, we're at a turning point. After all this time collecting, it's finally time to use those coins, not just watch them grow on your screen. Think of your mined Pi as ingredients for a cake. Now it's time to bake and enjoy it. All the effort you've put in is about to pay off in ways you can see, touch, and share. The real magic begins when we bring Pi to life in the real world. Imagine buying your morning coffee, supporting local businesses, or even sending a gift to a friend, all powered by Pi. This isn't just about numbers on a screen. It's about building a new kind of economy together. It's about trust, collaboration, and creating opportunities for everyone, no matter where they live. Digital currency can sound complicated, but at its core, Pi is about people creating value for people. It's about making technology work for us, not the other way around. The foundation is set. Now, it's your turn to help shape the next chapter. Every transaction, every idea, every connection you make helps build this new world. We're not just spectators. We're the pioneers of a new financial frontier. Together, we're exploring uncharted territory, and every step forward is a step we take as a community. Let's explore how your Pi coins are your ticket to a new economy. They're more than just digital assets. They're keys to new experiences, new connections, and new possibilities. It's time to turn those numbers into real experiences, goods, and a thriving ecosystem. The future of money is here, and it's in your hands. Are you ready? Let's get started. The adventure is just beginning, and you're at the heart of it all. Every day, millions of people around the world open the Pi app, watching their balances tick upward, feeling a sense of anticipation and hope. For many, these numbers on a screen represent possibility, a new kind of wealth, a chance to be part of something bigger than themselves. But the real magic of Pi isn't in simply collecting coins or watching your total grow. The true value of Pi comes alive when you use it, when you exchange it for goods, services, or experiences that matter to you and your community. Money, after all, only has meaning when it's in motion, when it's buying, trading, and making life easier. It's not about the number in your wallet, but about what that number can do for you and those around you. Every time you spend Pi on something real, whether it's a cup of coffee, a handmade craft, or a service from a local business, you're helping to unlock its true power and potential. Each transaction is more than just a purchase. It's a vote of confidence in Pi's real-world value. It's a signal to others that this digital currency can be trusted, used, and relied upon. By choosing to spend, not just save, you help build a vibrant, thriving marketplace, one where everyone can participate and benefit. Mining Pi was just the beginning. Now, the real journey is about creating a living, breathing economy, one that grows and evolves with every transaction, every new business, and every connection made. A coin that sits idle is simply wasted potential. But a coin that moves, that's spent and shared, becomes a force for change and progress. The true value of Pi will be built by all of us together through everyday transactions, big and small, that shape our new digital economy. Think of your Pi coins as seeds. When you plant them by spending, sharing, and supporting others, you help grow a flourishing ecosystem that benefits everyone. The next phase is about action, not just accumulation. Let's take the leap together and turn our Pi into something truly valuable for the world. So, where can you actually spend Pi? All over the world, businesses are starting to accept Pi, from coffee shops to online stores. Check Pi network apps and community channels for merchants and directories. Imagine paying for pizza or unique crafts with Pi, It's already happening. Every time you ask, "Do you accept pie?" you're spreading the movement. Even a simple purchase helps build connections and awareness. Dive into the community, look for the pie logo, and be part of this growing ecosystem. The shift from what if to what's for dinner is happening now, paid for with pie. Let's celebrate the pioneers, businesses accepting pie. When you spend pie with them, you validate their courage and help them thrive. Your support creates a ripple effect, encouraging more merchants to join. More merchants mean more places to spend, making pie more valuable for everyone. Be the best customer. Seek out pie-friendly businesses, share your experiences, and thank them. Post about your purchases, leave reviews, and create buzz. Your wallet can help build this new world, one transaction at a time. Where does pie's value come from? Trust and utility. Every transaction is a building block, proving pie works as real money. Think of the pie ecosystem as a city. Activity brings it to life. Money that moves creates a thriving economy. Money that sits does nothing. When you spend pie, it circulates, supporting businesses, suppliers, and workers. Each transaction is recorded on the blockchain, proving pie's real-world use. The more we transact, the stronger and more valuable pie becomes. You're not just a user, you're a builder of this new economy. Pie's greatest strength is its passionate global community. We're not just users, we're co-founders of a digital nation. Miners, developers, spenders, and merchants all play vital roles. Our collective action, not a single leader, drives pie's success. Helping new users, sharing business lists, and paying with pie all strengthen the network. Every action, big or small, contributes to our shared future. Let's be active participants, engage, share, and celebrate every milestone. Our success is intertwined. We're building more than a currency. We're building a global family. The future of pie is written in our connections and collective belief. Let's support each other and keep the momentum going. This is our project, and our actions shape its destiny. Together we can create a fairer, more accessible economy. That's the true power of pie. It's tempting to hoard pie, but the real heroes are the spenders. Spending pie is an act of leadership. It creates value and proves utility. If everyone holds, the economy stalls. If we spend, it thrives. Even small purchases can spark a chain reaction of growth. The true legends are those who make the first transactions and support early merchants. Let's shift our mindset. Circulation is power. Your balance may dip, but the network's value will rise. Be a pioneer. Spend your pie and help build the future. The heartbeat of pie's economy starts with you. Now's the time to act. Let's make pie a real force in our daily lives. Imagine a world where pie isn't just something you mine on your phone, but a currency you use, talk about, and see everywhere you go. It all starts with us, right here, right now. Promise yourself to move from being a passive miner to becoming an active participant in this growing movement. It's not enough to just collect pie. Let's put it to work and show its true value. Your first mission: buy one thing with pie this week, no matter how small. Whether it's a coffee, a snack, or a digital good, take that first step and see how easy and empowering it can be. Experience the process firsthand and make pie real for yourself. Feel the excitement of using a new kind of money and realize you're part of something bigger. Next, become an evangelist. Talk about pie with friends, family, and local businesses. Ask shops if they'll accept pie and share your experiences with others. Every conversation helps pie grow. Social media is your megaphone. Post, hashtag, and spread the word. Share your pie purchases, tag businesses, and encourage your network to join the movement. The more we talk, the more pie becomes part of everyday life. Remember, this isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building a sustainable global currency that everyone can use. We're laying the foundation for something lasting and meaningful. Keep mining, but more importantly, keep transacting and supporting Pi businesses. Every transaction, no matter how small, strengthens the network and brings us closer to mainstream adoption. Every action counts. Let's make some noise and show the world Pi's power. When we come together, our collective energy is unstoppable. The time for waiting is over. The time for doing is now. Don't just watch from the sidelines. Be a pioneer and help shape the future of money. Let's buy, pay, and build the Pi economy together. Support businesses that accept Pi and encourage others to join in. Every one of us has a role to play. Whether you're a buyer, seller, or simply a supporter, your actions matter. Let's make Pi the talk of the town. Together, we can turn this vision into reality and create a future where Pi is everywhere. We've reached the end, but really, it's just the beginning. Pi's strength lies in the economy we build by using it, not just holding it. Every purchase, every new merchant, shapes the future of Pi. You're not just a user, you're a founding member of a new economic order. Imagine a world where Pi connects people and businesses globally, free from old barriers. This is a rare chance to help build a fair, accessible financial system. Your actions, big or small, are revolutionary. Let's step forward with confidence and purpose. The Pi revolution is here, and you're at its heart. How fabulous is that?